In this lesson, students will build from previous lessons to identify objects of about 1 gram in weight and extend to estimate the mass of objects of between 1 and 10 grams of weight. They will verify their estimates using a balance scale to determine the reasonableness of their estimates. A gram is equal to the base unit of weight measurement in the metric system, being about the size of a large paper clip. You'll want to recall that we are using the terms mass and weight interchangeably for our comparison activities, although they have different scientific definitions. We've previously identified and reviewed items weighing about 1 gram, such as this large paper clip. Students will hold it in one hand and then hold a chapstick in their other hand, which is about 10 grams. They will need to take a mental note of the difference in mass between these two sets as they perform the human balance scale with their hands, holding the heavier weight, dropping down like a seesaw, while the lighter hand lifts up. We'll provide students with objects to compare in weight with the 1 gram hand and the 10 gram hand, one at a time. Students will line up these objects from smaller to heavier weights on the number line between the 1 and 10 gram marks, which will serve as our endpoints for the line. If they estimate the weight to be closer to the 1 gram, then they'll place the object closer to the 1 gram hash mark or closer to the paper clip on their number line. If they decide it is closer to the 10 gram weight, then they'll place it closer to the chapstick at the end point. They will need to repeatedly compare the weights of objects to properly place them in order along the midsection of their number line. Students may even have placed 5 paper clips or 5 gram weight in their hand to determine which items go to the left side on their number line versus the right side of their number line. Finding objects that weigh between 1 and 10 grams would be a great exercise for students at home as well. Once students have estimated where each object falls on their number line, they will verify the results by testing each 2 items along the line on a traditional balance scale. In this lesson, students have learned to estimate weights of between 1 and 10 grams, order them along a number line of mass, and to verify their estimates with a balance scale. Remember that estimating such small weights accurately will take extensive practice.